Guys, nandito kami sa pagbubukas na sushi restaurant. Tawag dito J1
sushi.
J1 Sushi. That's garden. It's time to wait.
Guys, this food is amazing. Especially that one.
The food review. You do a food review. 10? So yours is so good and mine.
Yeah. It's also pretty
That
easy
is
to
a
use
very-
chopsticks.
Yeah. Heidi knows how to use chopsticks, but I don't know how to use it.
She's older than me.
Of course, I am your mom.
Yeah, not my sister. That one.
This is really good. May sugat ako. Very good, Kaiden. Good job.
I'm gonna have some of my grape soda. No,
Where is the grape soda? Shoot to me. Okay. Oh, you're laying down now? No. Nahiga na siya. Nahiga na siya. Hindi kumakain pa. Dalawa lang kami ngayon ni Kaiden. Si daddy niya tulog, si ate niya wala dito. Isa. Malangaw pa.
did you fart or something?
Na.
Okay.
Kumain ako ng rice. Kainan natin ang salad para healthy tayo today. Hindi ako kumakain ng rice tapos ito dito kumain ako ng rice. Yan.